Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your credit card on Bankwest. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bankwest.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Bankwest website. Now in order to log into your credit card, click on the credit cards option from the homepage and you will be taken to the credit card section. Now if you don't already have a card, you can also proceed to applying it. And in order to log in, click on the login button at the top right corner. Then just choose your appropriate account and you will end up within the login portal. Just enter your personal access number followed by your account password. And after entering both of these, click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Bankwest online account. Once you are logged in, you can once again go back to the credit card page and click on Manage My Card and you will be logged in to your credit card account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your credit card account on Bankwest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.